I think Gwalia United currently are probably the best kept secret in Wales.
Gwalia United yw wampiad newydd hen dîm Cardiff City Ladies. Oedd ei hunan yn dod o nôl yn 1975, tîm Llanedern, sef y tîm pêl-drod cyntaf merched yng Nghymru. Mae gêm heddi rhwng Gwalia a Swindon Town yn yr FA Cup. Yn amlwg, mae FA Cup yn gystadleuaeth sy'n Lloegr. Mae Gwalia United yn chwarae yn system yn Lloegr, so ni ddim yn chwarae yn yr adran gyda'r FAW, ni'n chwarae gyda'r FA.
Being Cardiff City Ladies, for the first 20 minutes of any conversation, we were explaining who we weren't, rather than who we are. Gwalia is one of the heritage names for Wales. This is probably the heritage club of Wales.
That's the job.
I was here from its formation in 1975 as a 16-year-old.
I think I came when I was about 21, so it's about 5 years ago now. No, I was about 21 when I joined Cardiff.
We're 50 years old this year, which is something we're very proud of.
It's been difficult at times, and in other times it's, we've sailed through a few seasons without realising. It was a much bigger club in its day prior to COVID, because we had a complete junior section as well and 3 senior teams.
I made good friends with a guy called Damien Singh, who is based in Sydney. What we wanted to do is come together to invest in a club that could have good people doing good things, and that we didn't have to compromise our values, our vision, or the ethics to go forward. We couldn't find that in the men's game, and in May of last year we were approached by the club to see whether or not we'd come and help. In all fairness to Cannon and Michelle, they wanted to ensure that A, we were the right people, and B, we were in it for the right reasons.
It is exciting, and it's lovely to have likewise people on board like Damien and Julian, who are keen to keep the heritage and the history of the club going, which means a lot to the former girls like myself.
We did rush into things. We had a few people look at us before, but we wanted the right fit, so we took our time.
We can't take any credit for the fact that this club, I'm being told, has borne nearly 100 internationals. If you look at the squad the other night, there was 10 players who have all worn, this shirt. And that's continuing. Laura O'Sullivan was on the bench, against Slovakia. The captain of the Welsh under-19s, Elena Cole, will grace this turf today. And there's 5 other under-19 girls who were in there.
Obviously, first round of the cup, I've come down. This team, obviously it was called Cardiff back in the day, but they've always got a, close part of me in my career. Sophie Ingle, Tash Arden, all them. It's mad now thinking back, I'm 30, but yeah, back then, it seems like a long time ago. It's nice to obviously come down and support the team on the weekend.
A fi wedi nabod Julian Jenkins pan oedd e'n gweithio yn Cardiff City blynyddoedd yn ôl. A pan oedd Julian wedi dweutho fi am y prosiect sydd gyda fe'n Gwalia, mae fe'n rhywbeth da I fi ddod yn gysylltiedig gyda. Dyna fi'n credu rhan o'r falw gobeithio gallai roi Gwalia yw'r ffaith bod fi wedi bod yn brofiadol iawn, gweithio gyda rai ochreuwyr rugby gorau'r byd, a bod yr arbenigedd yna gobeithio gallu dod I helpu tîm Gwalia.
Laura, Gwalia United, how key has this club been in your development?
It's been massive. I've been here since 19, so to get the investment with Julian and the owners getting in, it's made a massive change for us. We've got a good manager in place, people behind her, and our fans that are coming to these games. So yeah, it's great.
We've taken a little bit of time to bed in and make sure we understand how we want to play and different roles, and it's been really good, really positive, and I speak a lot about it, but we want to make sure we take small steps forward, and as long as we're doing that, we know we're heading in the right direction. It's a hugely exciting time to be part of this club. We've got some fantastic owners that have got ambition, and they've got vision, and they've got belief in the the existing workforce that's here. We know we've got their backing. The wealth and knowledge that the people behind the scenes are bringing is going to create something very, very special. It is creating something very, very special, and we're going to see that in the next few seasons, I'm sure.
Cassie Gregson is a girl from Clampeter. She's come into the setup. And if you look at her trajectory of development since she's been with us, and we do a lot of stuff with Tristan Bevan and the coaches here, it's huge.
Pan bod hapus, ych chi'n ymwechadu ar gol gyntaf i'r clwb, ffordd neis I ddathlu?
Yeah, definitely. Squad training excited heddi, so croes iawn, ond hefyd gol gyntaf i'r clwb, felly ffodus iawn I cael hynny. Roeddwn ni gyda'r FAW South Academy, just newid o'n I eisiau. So yeah, Dwi'n meddwl fi'n neud syniad dda i dod fan hyn, dwi'n dysgu bob wythnos, a ni'n cael y canlyniadau sydd angen ar y foment, felly gobeithio llai datblygu fel chwaraewr. Lot fwy competitive, merched completely wahanol i beth ti fel arfer gyda, ti war erbyn, merched lot fwy gryf, so mae'n da achos dwi'n hoffi challenge, ond wedyn yr un pryd, mae fe'n galed.
Oedd e'n gêm dda, ni di ennill, ond wrth gwrs oedd e ddim yn perffaith, ond yn yr FA Cup mae hynny ddim yn y peth mwy o pwysig. Mae'n ennill a mynd mewn i'r rown nesaf sydd yn bwysig. Mae yn rili cyffrous a dwi'n edrych ymlaen at yr wythnosau sydd i ddod ac y gemau sydd i ddod achos dwi'n gweld bod ni yn well a dyn ni yn datblygu a dwi eisiau hynna i parhau.
Uchelgais ni'n dweud yn brod iawn, felly ni eisiau bod yn y Women's Super League mewn 5 mlynedd.
I think the definition of success for us will be is to ensure that A, the club is sustainable, B, that we create a pathway for young girls and women in Wales to play at the highest level and ultimately to play in the national team. But for me, it's the people of Wales to talk about Gwalia United with pride in their hearts. And if we can do that, we've done all right.